In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from KoboToolbox to Excel. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, open your project. Then you want to go to Data up top, and then you want to go to Downloads over here on the left. In here, you have to select the correct export type. So for Excel, you want to click on it and select XLS, okay? Now you also have this XLS Legacy, and you have different CSVs, so CSV and CSV Legacy. Now, if you download CSV, usually it's going to give you a file for Excel as well, but like this one, the XLS is the original one I would be using if I were to export to Excel. So I'm going to use this one, and then here you can just select the value and header format. You have advanced options as well, so here there's like a bunch of different things and settings. You can change these if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like it is. Click on Export. Wait for a few seconds for this to process, and then you'll be able to click on this download button. Click on it, and as you can see, there we go. It's going to download the exported data from KoboToolbox, and it is indeed an Excel file, as you can see over here. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.